Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you all about the pruning of jasmine plant. I will also tell you about the right time of pruning, and why we prune a jasmine. All of these things will be covered in this video, so watch the video till end. Let's start to our topic. First, take a look of this plant. I have made a cut on this point a few weeks back, and now 4 to 5 new branches are growing. Pruning is the trimming and cutting of branches. It may be soft pruning, in which we cut the upper growing shoots, and a hard pruning, that is the trimming of hardwood branches. In the jasmine plant, the pruning is very much important due to some reasons. Pruning of jasmine plant helps it to grow multiple branches from that point. It also important to keep the plant into shape. Jasmine plant is a semi-vine plant that grows like a vine. And to keep the plant in our desired shape, we have to cut the branches. Pruning is also important because it helps the sunlight to reach the lower part of the plant. Reach of sunlight on the soil and all the branches is very important. It helps the plant to stay insects and pest free. Many times our plant grows very fastly and the branches grows in a very disordered manners. Pruning of jasmine plant helps it to grow in an ordered shape. Pruning also make the dead branches out of jasmine plant, that makes it more beautiful and healthy. Now let's talk about the best time of pruning of a jasmine. You can prune your jasmine plant in the spring season when the plant is going to grow again. In the spring season, the jasmine plant have a long time to grow its new branches again. And you can also cut the tips of branches to enhance multiple growth. In whole summers, prune the plant when it becomes out of shape. For pruning of a jasmine, you can use any type of cutter that is disinfected. For the disinfection of your cutter and pruners, you can watch my another video that I have added in the description and I button. Make sure your cutter is fully disinfected. Simply cut the top branches a little. You can also remove the dead and dried branches with this cutter. The point from where you make a cut, the plant grows 2 to 3 new branches from that point. As you can see, this is the branch that I pruned a few days back, and now 2 new branches are growing from this. You can also prune your jasmine plant to enhance multiple branches and a healthier growth. So this is the complete method to prune your jasmine plant. You can follow this trick to make your plant more blooming. One most important thing, the point where you make a cut is a sensitive part. If the water gets enter from this point, it will be very dangerous. To overcome this problem, don't spray water on this point. Hope you like this video. For any question, comment below and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.